Here are the ingredients. Una, syempre, we need to have our pork limpo. At syempre, yung kanyang pagkakat should be something like this one. Ayan. So, ngayon po, ang lulutuin ko po ay 2 kilos yan. Isahang lutuan na lang para mas tumagal yan. Ayan. And then, we have our peppercorns and our salt. Remember po, for every kilo of pork liempo, 1 tablespoon of salt and 20 pieces of peppercorns. So if I have 2 kilos of pork, 40 pieces of peppercorn, and 2 tablespoon of salt. At ang ating pong itong pinakamahalagang ingredients po, ang mga spices na ilalagay natin sa ating lechong kawali. Unang-una po dyan yung tanglad, papasarap, papabango. And make sure po yung tanglad ay ng mabuti. And our garlic, at least 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. And onions. And dahon ng onions. Yan po yung mga basic ingredients ng ating pong lechong kawali. And of course, our water. So, these mga 3 liters of water, lubog po dapat yung ating mga pork habang pinakukuluan po ito. I added our pork belly. Po, no? It's boiling for about 40 minutes. So, test po natin kung tender na po siya. Pwede na siyang patayin. So, it's almost 40 minutes na nagbo-boil and this is tender na. Pwede na po siyang patayin. Okay. So, after an hour ng pagpapakulo ng mga pork bellies. Now, it's time to drain it for a while and then you need to put salt. Okay, you need to rub some salt para po before natin iprito, magkalasa po siya. And then let it sit for a while before frying.